Yan, so my son is well already after 2 days. So, ako naman ngayon ang kasunod, no? So, medyo naubuhan ako ng konti. Plus, those nights, like 2 nights, I couldn't really get very good sleep. And somehow we have to stay here outside. Siyempre, andito yung window and all. Medyo malamig. And so, na-trigger na't lahat-lahat. Tapos, siyempre may mga house chores pa tayong kailangan tapusin. I don't feel very well. Medyo parang pakiramdam ko parang lalagdatin na ako. Right, so currently we are having the first day of our schooling. So, this is it. This is just the orientation, so it's okay not to focus. So kakagaling pa lang ng bata at gusto niya nang magbasa agad.